Ever wonder what your fence is really saying about you before you even open your door? What if your fence is quietly broadcasting your lifestyle, values, and even your secrets without you even knowing it? Fences aren't just barriers. They're storytellers. They shape how neighbors, visitors, and even passers-by see you before they meet you. Today, let's decode what different fence choices reveal about their owners. A wooden fence often signals warmth, tradition, and a love for natural charm. You value privacy, but you also want your property to feel welcoming and timeless. Vinyl fences show a preference for practicality and modern style. You like things neat, low maintenance, and dependable. No stress, no fuss. A chain-link fence tells the world you value function over form. It's not about appearances. It's about honesty, utility, and sometimes a tough, no-nonsense attitude. Wrought iron fences send a clear message of sophistication. They reflect strength, security, and an appreciation for style and tradition. And then there's the invisible fence, or no fence at all. This choice suggests openness, trust, and a sense of community over boundaries. So, what's your fence saying about you? Whether you prefer privacy, elegance, practicality, or openness, your fence is the first introduction to your home and, in many ways, to yourself. Thinking about what message your fence should send? At CAAN Fence, we help you choose the right fence for your lifestyle. Visit CAANFenceInc.com or call 781-767-3596 today.